Hi guys. Today what we're going to do, we're going to learn how to warp your loom for weaving. So in front of me I have my plate with 17 notches already cut in it. We're going to be using this plate as your loom. This is what you're going to use to weave with. This yarn here is called the warp string, and this we're going to place on this so that we can weave in and out and in and out, or over and under and over and under. And we also have this piece of tape, and I'll show you what that's for. This part is kind of tricky, so I really need you to pay attention. I'm going to sit this here. If we look, we have 17 notches. If you want to count that and make sure you have 17 that you cut, that would be fantastic. The next thing you're going to do, you're going to take your long string, you're going to take one end of it, and you're going to pick any notch. It doesn't matter. I can turn this whichever way, it doesn't matter. But you're going to put it at the one at the top. It could be this one, it could be this one, it doesn't matter. And what I mean by that is I'm going to take this end. The end is going to end up on the back, and it's going to go through. I'm just going to push that through. So this is the end, this is the back, this is the side with your name on it, this is the front, this is the painted side, and this will come down. But what I like to do so this doesn't move, I like to take our tape and just put that on there. Make sure that doesn't go anywhere. All right. We've got our plate with 17 notches. We've got our string going in the top one, and we just have it coming down. The next thing we're going to do, we are going to count 9 notches. Not nachos, notches. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'm going to stick that in the bottom. I'm just going to push that in. All right. And I like to double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I should have done that in the 9th. And if I count this, I have 8 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If I count over here, I should have 7 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Perfect. All right, so I have 9 on this side, 8 on this side, 7 on this side. Make sure you have that. The next thing you're going to do at the bottom here, we're going to take this piece of string and we're going to go over to his neighbor's house right here. We're going to come in the back door. We're just going to take this and go in the back door right here. If we look, let's look again. So this we had 8, this we have 7. We went in the back door of our neighbor's house. And our neighbor said, "Hey, you little child, get out of my house." So he ran through to the front side. Now he came out, he went in the back, came out the front. He was scared. She wasn't very nice. So he ran all the way across the street, way over on the other side to this house here. And we made the world's skinniest X. It's that first one on this side. So we're going to go in the front door, see what our neighbor says. We're going to go in, and she says, "Get out of my house, get out of my house, get out." Oh, he came in through the back, so he went out this. Then we're going to turn it so that this string is on the bottom. You see how my string is on the bottom here? It's coming out the bottom. And he's going to go in this neighbor's house. He's going to go in the back door and out the front. She says, "Get out of my house, get out of my house." And we're going to make an X again. So we make an X here, here. We're going to go right here. We're going to go in the front door, and then we're going to go out the back door. She says, "Get out of my house." So we went all the way across the street, went in the front door, out the back door. And we're going to rotate the plate so that that string is at the bottom. Now we start to see these X's going across. And we're going to keep going in that same direction. You're going to go to this neighbor's house. You're going to come in the back door because you can't go in the front door. You're going to go in the back door. So back to front. And of course that neighbor's going to be upset with you. So you go in the back door, come out the front door, and she's yelling and screaming, "Get out of my house." So you're going to run all the way across the street to here. Not here. Not here. Okay, what about this one? Nope, you got to go right here. You're going in order to the neighbor's house. You're going to bother all the neighbors. So we're going in the front door. Came out the back. Once you go in the front door, out the back, you're going to rotate it to the bottom. Your string is on the bottom. Okay? So now we're going to bother which neighbor? We're going to bother this neighbor? This neighbor? Yeah. We're going to go to this neighbor. We're going to go in. There we go. Now where are we going to go? All the way across the street to make an X. What if we go here? What if we go here? Okay, so we're going to go right in here. We're going to go in the front door. Okay, we were just at this neighbor's. Now we're going to this one. Ah, get out of my house. Get out of my house. So he went in the back door. Okay, how's our string? We're going to rotate it all the way down to the bottom. Now where am I going to go? I'm going to go in the back door of my neighbor's house here. Ah, get out of my house, get out of my house. So he comes out the front. Now he's going to cross over the street and go to the neighbor's house. Look at, there's all these neighbors left we can go to. Do you know which one we should go to? This one, the very next one. We're going to go in and then out the back door. Ah, get out of my house. We're going to rotate. Our string is at the bottom. We're going to go to this neighbor's house. We're always going to the neighbor's house right here. This is a different neighbor though. He goes in the back door. You can see how it's starting to look. And then you're going to go all the way across the street to this side. Oh, what about this one? Nope. Right here. Go in the front door. And you came out the back door. And you're going to take your plate and your string and rotate it to the bottom. Here it is. Now where are we going? We're going to go to this house. It's our only one left. So we're going to go from the back door in, like that. Where are we going next? All the way across the street. We're going to go in here. And then what are we going to do? Rotate the plate. Go here. Go in the back door. And now if you look here, we have nowhere else to go. This is it. This is our last spot. Once you get to this spot, you're good. You're finished. Mrs. Bartos will take these before you come in again, and I'm going to take them and tie a little knot in them. Okay? And then you're ready. So once you have that, you're finished for today. So let's go all the way back. Going from the back door to the front door. All the way back. All the way back. All the way back. All right. So we've taped this. Okay, this is short. This is on the back. This is the side with our name on it. We flip it and it's at the top. We count how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You count 9 and you go through. How many should I have on this side? 8. How many should I have on this side? 7. So you're going to start off by going to your neighbor's house. Come from the back door, go to the front door, get out of my house! And he runs all the way across the street. But he makes the world's smallest X. Is this the smallest X? Is this the smallest? That's a weird, funky X. We're going to go right here. We're going to push it in. And then what are we going to do? Rotate our plate so the string's at the bottom. We go in the back door here. And all the way across to here. In the front door. Out. In the front door. Go all the way down here. Go to our neighbor's house. Go from the back door in. And you're going to go all the way across the street. We're going to go in the front door and out the back. Rotate your plate. In the back door. Get out of my house. Get out of my house. Oh no, I'm so scared. Go all the way across the street to the next house. Not down here or here or here. Go in the house. Out the back. And now rotate back down to here. All right. In our neighbor's house. All the way across the neighborhood to the other side of the street to the next house. In. Rotate. Strings at the bottom. Go in this house. All the way across the street. Rotate. It's a pattern. We're doing the same thing over. Go to our neighbor's house. Go on the back door. All the way across the street. In the front door. Bring it back down. And we have one neighbor's house left. We're going to go in the back door. And it should look like this. And you're finished. All right. Let's have some fun.